Why India's supersonic missiles are difficult to intercept. What are the capabilities of India's hypersonic missile? The missile is reportedly capable of traveling at speeds of Mach 6, 6 times the speed of sound, and executing maneuvers mid-flight, making it difficult to intercept with existing missile and air defense systems. India on Saturday successfully tested its first long-range hypersonic missile, placing it among a select group of nations, including China, Russia, and the United States, US, that have achieved such technological advancements. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, conducted the flight trial from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island, off the coast of Odisha. Late on November 16, 2024, revealed a Ministry of Defense, MOD, release. This hypersonic missile is designed to carry various payloads for ranges greater than 1,500 kilometers, km, for the armed forces, added the MOD. India has achieved a major milestone by successfully conducting flight trial of long-range hypersonic missile from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island, off the coast of Odisha. This is a historic moment, and this significant achievement has put our country in the group of select nations. Hypersonic missiles are designed to defeat modern missile and air defense systems through a combination of extreme speed, Mach 5, unpredictable flight paths, and advanced maneuverability depending on their design and type. These missiles can be capable of rapid, low-altitude flight, which allows them to evade radar detection and interceptors, making them highly effective against sophisticated defenses. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles, which also achieve hypersonic speeds during re-entry, hypersonic missiles are designed to sustain these high velocities throughout significant portions of their flight. Well, the achievement aside, now neighboring countries or countries with similar boundaries will develop these type of missiles. Humanity will not get anything from these accomplishments.